is going on, guys? We are out here on this nice cold fall day with the leaves raining around us. I hope the wind isn't too bad. I got the windsock on for you. But we're going to talk a little bit about Angelo's 7.3 because we haven't talked about it, and it seems like you guys like 7.3s and the trucks as much as we do. I mean, I like drift cars more, but you know, everyone seems to have a 7.3 now. But before we get into that, I want to talk to you a little bit about this upcoming week and what we have in store. So for this upcoming Saturday, we are hitting Thompson Speedway, the Skids for Kids event with Damien. I think his car is messed up though. So hopefully he gets that fixed and we'll see what happens. But I think he's going to be there with Callie regardless to have the Z's out there because I know a lot of you guys want to see the Volvo at the track. And yeah, I'm super excited. I'm super stoked. The Volvo's first time at the drift track is going to be wicked exciting. I can't wait. I can't wait. But with that being said, things to prep for. The Volvo needs a couple little things. I just want to go through it. It seems to be doing okay driving wise, but just little things. It needs a fire extinguisher, maybe tighten the e-brake, you know, stuff like that. And the van trailer needs stuff because it was making some weird noise coming back from the howler. Always stuff to do, guys, so you'll be seeing that firsthand. But for today, I don't know where Angelo is. Oh God, the wind is brutal. I'm sorry, everybody. Hey, man.
What's going on?
So he's gonna tell us a little bit about the black 7.3 here.
Yeah, so it's a 99 7.3, late 99. It's lifted about 4 inches on 35s. Fender flares. 4-inch straight pipe off the turbo.
So we're on a 4-inch straight pipe?
Yep. Back to a 5-inch, and then it goes into an 8-inch stack.
I'll just sit on all the people.
It's got a TS6 tuner, some gauges. And
Oh yeah. Oh guys. You about the gauge life? I just opened this door, but represent. Can I put these in the van? Somebody let me know. I don't know if that's possible. I don't think it's the same, but if I can put these in the van, that'd be dank as shit.
But yeah, it's kind of high miles, 380K.
380K, and it still gets down. We have tire. He's saying we don't have any tire left, guys.
The other side.
The other side, is it bad? How bad?
It's pretty bald.
Pretty bald. Enough for a good show, though. Oh, I hit the mic. Sorry about that, boys. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. She sits pretty big. Sits pretty big. It sounds cool, as you'll hear in a second. Anything else you'd like to tell them about the old 7.3?
That's about it.
All right, so we're gonna show them now.
I guess so.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna do some skids.
What's our plan? Just skids? No plan? Just send it?
Just gonna see what happens, I guess.
See what happens?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Yeah! I'm looking right into the sun. It's really glary. I'm sorry. I hope it doesn't glare for you. But the 7.3 gets down. That was sweet. Maybe the van will do that. He's going to give us a quick cruise by and see if he can dump some soot for us because the coal life. That's good. that's all for today, guys. The old 7.3 does some mean peels, but we're gonna ship it out of here before the fuzzaroonies come. We left some nice freaking donut marks there. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked for the drift event. We got a lot coming with that, a lot coming with this. We will see you in the next one. Peace!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.